Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Keplr Wallet account. So let's get started right away without further ado. Launch open your Keplr application from your app drawer and then it'll prompt you to enter your password for your wallet. Simply go ahead and enter your correct password inside the password text box. Once you are done entering the correct password, tap on the sign in button and you will be able to log into your Keplr Wallet account. Always make sure to remember your wallet's password in order to sign in back to Keplr, since you won't be able to get hold of your wallet if you don't have the password. It can then only be unlocked by using your recovery phrases. If you lose your password, then you will need to recover your wallet by using your backup phrases. So that is how you can easily log into your Keplr Wallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.